Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Vacmaster VK609PFR 0201, a versatile 3-in-1 wet, dry, upholstery shampoo vacuum cleaner designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. This powerhouse boasts a 6-gallon large capacity tank and an external 1.05-gallon detergent tank, allowing for easy filling and seamless switching between vacuum and detergent modes using its remote control handle. With a high water lift motor providing powerful suction and 40 feet of cleaning reach thanks to its hose and power cord, this vacuum makes cleaning carpets, car interiors, and upholstery a breeze. It comes equipped with 15 accessories, including a carpet shampoo nozzle and handheld shampoo nozzle, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. The Vacmaster also offers complete organization with onboard accessory and cord storage, while its durable 360 degrees rotating casters and balanced top handle make transport a cinch. Plus, the large drain port allows for quick and easy emptying, so you can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying a cleaner space. Whether you're tackling tough stains or routine cleaning, the Vacmaster VK609PFR is your go-to solution for a spotless home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.